road traffic to the north, two contacts in formation are detected by the track production team on their radar screens at the control and reporting centre. They do not correspond to any known aircraft movements, military or civilian. The master controller at the control and reporting centre assesses the situation. He or she has a direct line to the airfield and the Q shed, which houses the two fully ready and fully armed lightnings. It's the vital telebrief line. The master controller's voice is heard on loudspeakers around the Q shed, in the pilot's crew room, in the airfield operations centres, in the airfield control tower, and in the cockpit of the lightning fighters. Every member of the team is kept in the picture by the master controller. The task of the air defence system is to intercept, identify and shadow any authorised intrusions. The master controller assesses the situation. He or she needs to know who these intruders are, to monitor their activities and to order the fighters to intervene should the need arise. He or she makes a rapid decision. He or she then reacts. Buchan Master Controller on telebrief. We have a contact. Strength 2, 80 miles east of Aberdeen, heading south. Height 8,000 and climbing. Speed 250 knots. Q1, your mission is to intercept, identify and report. Vector 030, climb to flight level 250. Call Buchan Control on Fighter Stud 5, standby, Fighter Stud 8. Scramble, 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 acknowledge. Many actions are taking place rapidly and simultaneously. The pilots run to their aircraft and begin cockpit checks. The ground crew's last-minute tasks ready the aircraft. The airfield air traffic control in the tower ready themselves and clear the area, both on the ground and in the air around the airfield. The control and reporting centre controllers man up the radar consoles, ready for the fighters. This will take only a minute or two. QRA operations take priority over all other activities and are well practiced. The master controller will also bring the supporting Victor tanker, refuelling and the Shackleton airborne early warning aircraft to the The lightnings will take only minutes to be ready. turned off, there's no problem. But if intervention had been required, the intruders were under no illusions it would have been swift and effective. In the way in which you've just seen, the Lightnings played a vital role in maintaining our demonstrable readiness during the Cold War years. They contributed significantly to maintaining world peace until the Iron Curtain was thankfully finally dismantled. To maintain our peace, we must never forget that freedom isn't free. It must be earned and protected. Following this vital principle, at this very moment, even as we speak, the QRA is ready somewhere in the UK. The threat, the aircraft, the airfields, the ground-based radar early warning and command and control facilities may have all changed with the advance of technology, but the principle remains: freedom isn't free. The fact that the Lightnings were never used in anger in the United Kingdom airspace is a tribute to their efforts and their success. Today we all have an eternal debt of gratitude to all those units and individuals who manned and operated all parts of our air defence system, of which our Lightnings here were a major player. May I thank you on behalf of us all, the team here at Bruntingthorpe, for your attendance and interest. I would like to say, just to make an announcement, that the next open day will be Sunday the 26th of August. There should be 15 aircraft running down the runway, including the track Aero 29 Dolphin. This will be its first time. I hope you've all enjoyed our demonstration of the QRA Scramble. Thank you very much.